All right, guys, so today I want to do a comparison on factory headlamp with some LED bulbs or the aftermarket LED bar. You can do like a sleepy look, I guess they call it the sleepy eye look. I've already got one mounted here and I just need to change out the factory bulbs out of here, out of the headlamp, to these Novsight. I bought these online. These are the number 9005, 9006 for the C5 Corvette. So I'm going to go ahead and put a pair of these on the driver's side, and then I will turn on the passenger side and do a little comparison. Do I do a sleepy eye look and see how bright that is, or do I just go ahead and put some LED bulbs in the headlamp and call it good? This one I did have to kind of customize a little bit. I can show you guys kind of a little bit of what I did. It basically just, got the brackets that came in the kit, little L brackets, and just screwed them to the top of the housing here on the lamp. Let's go ahead and take the bulbs out of here, put the new Novsight ones in. But first, before I do it, I gotta wash the car because I took this thing out to an autocross event last weekend. I don't know if you can tell, but these wheels are covered in brake dust, and this is just from one event. I took the car super clean, and this thing is just covered in brake dust, and everywhere I touch, I just get all over my hands, all over my clothes. Alright, let's open these up and see what we're working with here. Alright, so like I said, these are 9006, 9005. Let's go ahead and open these up and put these into the car. Oh wow, look at this. It comes with a nice keychain. Oh yeah, this is a nice bulb here. These are some really nice bulbs. Okay, so we got the reflector, ballast. It's got a nice fan inside. It's got a nice fan built in to kind of keep the headlamp nice and cool. These feel solid. These don't feel cheap at all. These are nice bulbs. All right, let's go ahead and take the lamp apart, put the bulbs in. Alright guys, so with all the covers off the headlamp here, and now we can get access to the back and remove the bulbs and install the bulbs on the C5 Corvette. Like I said, there's two different sizes. So the inside bulb on the headlamp itself is a number 9005, that is the high beam, and the outside bulb on the C5 Corvette is a 9006, which is the low beam. And same thing goes for the passenger side. If you're doing the passenger side, the outside bulb 9006, the inside bulb 9005, high beam. Go ahead and put the bulbs in and get them secure, and then we'll turn the lights on and do a little comparison here in the garage before we take it outside. All right, got the bulbs in. I'm not gonna bore you with plugging in bulbs, so I got the bulbs in, and let's go ahead and give it a try now. Let's turn them on, see how bright these are in the garage. Holy moly! You hear the fan on? Those things are insanely bright. Let's see if the high beams work. Oh yeah, these are bright, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but yes, the other ones are on as well. Yeah, that is not as bright as that. There's no way. Look how bright those are. Look at this. This looks like a fog light. These are supposed to be pretty bright LED bars. They're not bright at all. They're dim compared to. Damn, look at these. Well, anyways, we'll try these out at nighttime. We'll pull it out and see exactly how much brighter the other ones are. Sorry, this chair's in the way, guys, but let me get this out of the way. I am more than likely going to be switching over to the LEDs from Novsight. Oh, Novsight. Those things are, God, those are bright. Even in the daytime, look how bright that is. That looks like a fog. That looks dim as hell. That's gonna go. You know what? I'm not even gonna do that. That's no comparison. I'm gonna pull it out here in the driveway in the daylight. I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to say this for nighttime, because the day and night difference here in the garage, these things are a lot brighter. Let me go ahead and pull it out real quick and see for yourself. All right, got the car pulled out. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. See if we can see a difference out in daylight compared to nighttime. All right. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell, but the passenger side is on and the driver's side is, I can see a lot brighter. Wow. I mean, I don't even know if I like the way the sleepy eye kind of, I mean, it looks good, but they're not bright at all. I don't know if the ones I have on there are not good enough, but supposedly those are pretty bright. They're like made for off-roading, but man, I don't know. I mean, I really don't drive the car much at nighttime, but if I did, I would really want the brightness of these. And I like the look of this, but if I do this, then the car has to stay like that, because the motor's gonna be disconnected. So it's gonna be kind of a bummer. No, I'm gonna go with this. That's gotta go. Taking that off. Once I take it off, I'll kind of show you guys exactly what I did if you're interested in doing that yourself. The way I got these aftermarket lamps to work with the factory headlamps is on the end of the connector here. I just got an old LED bulb or LED headlamp that I had laying around, cut the connector off and just spliced it onto the connector of this lamp here, so that way this would plug into the factory connector on the Corvette. But obviously, if you do want to go with a sleepy eye look, you can get a better pair of these. These are the ones I got. I'll link them down below, that way you know which ones to get or not to get, probably, if you want, unless you want to get these. These are the right size. If you're going to go off the sizes here, they fit perfectly inside the housing with the brackets that come from the kit. And I just drilled the hole here in the top and basically just centered it on the lamp here, and that's basically it. Really simple. So yeah, if you want to go with the CBI look, this is the way I did it. Really easy. And then to put the factory lamp back in, all I did was unbolted 310 millimeter bolts from the back, and that's all I had to do. We just bolted right here from the back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-put this back on, put the new bulbs in here, and watch out and see how bright these are in the nighttime. All right, guys, came out to a nice dark location to show you a difference how bright these lights are. Are you ready for this? Look how bright that is. That's the low beams. That's just the low beams. Look at the high beams. Yeah, big time difference, guys. These things are super bright. Like I said, if you're gonna pick some of these up for yourself, for your C5, or anything you actually have that uses 9005, 9006, I will link these out down below, guys. Follow the link. These are some super bright light, guys. Definitely recommend them. That does it for today's video, guys. Please like, please subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.